Here's the following problem inside Davinci Resolve. Let's go to the color tab, and let's say on this color wheels I want to do a few modifications. Let's make it clearly visible, and then I come to this one to, let's say, censor something. I add, let's say, a circle, and this happens. So inside the circle the colors are modified, and outside the color modification disappeared. So how to fix this problem and censor something but have the colors equally modified everywhere? Well, let's just undo it, and here on the right side make sure nodes is enabled. This is a node, and press Alt+S on your keyboard. Alt+S, and that adds a different node, this one. Now if you add, let's say, a circle, now notice the colors are not modified. You can add the blur to it with that one, and even track it with these, and the colors are the same. If you want to modify the colors, then come back to this node, and here you can do a color modification, let's say that one. If you want to adjust the censoring, then go to that node, where the censoring, that blurred out circle, is visible.